Hello and welcome. Let's talk a little bit again about the tools we use. In the previous video we talked about Google Chrome and developer tools. In this video we will discuss how you can get around Visual Studio Code and how you can customize it for yourself. As a developer or designer, how you use a tool is more important than which tool you use. Sometimes you use a small tool in a great way. That is more important than you use a very big or a very large IDE and you cannot use all its feature. That's why when you use any IDE, you must know how to get around, how to customize it, how to make yourself comfortable with that tool. So this is very important. When you open Visual Studio Code, you will see some screen like this. Maybe you see the welcome screen, but here is also the screen by default that come like this. And here I'll show you, these are the menus, of course all the menu here, but this is called the activity bar. In this portion we have search, we have here the explorer. Here we have the source control, which we talk in the future about source control, about get and GitHub. The other one is debug. Debugging is also for the large application, which you mostly check if the application is working or not working, or which part of your application is breaking, something like that, which we will not use in the web designing. The other part is the extension part. You can come here and install any extension to extend and make your Visual Studio Code work better. You can there are a lot of great extension which I will show you, and you can install them for free here. The next thing here is that it will show you all the comments. If you press Ctrl Shift P, which I am on Windows, if you have Mac, you can, instead of Control, you can use Command. Ctrl Shift P will let you search, will let you find any comment and show all the comments. As you can see, show all comments. From here you can just write, let's say you create a new file, you just write new file, something like that. It will now create a new file here for you if you have opened all the folders here. For now I'll not create that. The next thing is Control P, means you can go to any file. If you press Control P, and as you can see, list of all the files. If you have more than this, you can just write the name and go there. The thing that you should know is that it will search only the file which are in the Explorer window here, open here. If you don't have them in this window, it will not search. Suppose you are going to search any personal file in your computer, it is not going to work like that. It will search only on this folder which is open in the sidebar. And you can just hide the sidebar. You can toggle it. You can of course bring it here, it is hidden. How you bring it back? You just take this, yeah, but this is not working. This is how sometimes you get confused. You must know the shortcut. The shortcut for me is Control B. Maybe I have customized it. I will show you how you can customize it too. Let me explain a few other things. The bottom side, this one, the blue one, this is the status bar, which show the status of your file. For example, if your cursor is here, it will show you which column you are. I am the column 1. I am in the line 34. As you can see, it will show you here space. You have 4 space here. The Unicode is UTF-8, and you have a control, all these things. And here you can actually send a feedback to Twitter how cool Visual Studio Code is. And the other things are here. If you have any warning, any problem, it will count them for you. For web designing, for now, because we have not used any programming language, we are using the markup language, we do not have any error. Here is the gear icon. The gear icon will give you the settings. You can open the command palette. You can go to setting, keyboard shortcut, manage extension, user snippet, all of these things. The check update is very important. The Visual Studio Code has a lot of update every month. Almost they bring a new update with new features, so you can update it from here. Okay, this is of course the scroll bar here. Another one is here that you can adjust any other file, open any other file. For example, you can open this one in one side, the other file in other side. This is how you can work here, and then you can close one and the other automatically take the size here. There is another 3 icons here. It will show open the editor. The editor with the files which are open, it will show them here. There's only one file is open here, it will show them here. As you can see, open editor is here too. Sometimes it is not required, but sometimes if you are new to this environment, this is fine for you. If you are coming from Sublime Text background or any other code editor, this is something extra. You can remove this too. I'll show you. So let's go to the extension part. Extension will extend. As you can see, if I come to the Explorer window here, as you can see my file showing the icons, all good icons. As you can see, maybe for you it is not showing because I have installed some extension, and that's why it's showing the icon of the file. If I have any other file, let's for example say we have test.php, as you can see the icon changed to PHP. If I have something that test.is QL, it will change to ISQL. Okay, again it will suggest you that if you are using SQL, you can use MS SQL extension. It is recommended because it will give you a lot of tools, a lot of facility for using the code which are required for SQL. I will not install this because I am not going to use SQL here. But as you can see, the icon has changed. It will show you the PHP, the CSS, everything. The icon has changed. So what is the extension name? You can come to the extension here. It will show you all the installed extension. I have 19 of them here. Some of them you don't need to install, some of them you do. But if you look at the recommended, it will look at your code. Let's say which code you use. You use JavaScript, you use C++, you use any programming language. They will give you a recommendation that you can install this extension which is good for you. For me, I have something for Apache config. Maybe I have used that in the past. If I come down, I will show you some of them which are good. One is path intelligence. Probably you might not need it for now. It will just complete the path of any file you reference in your file. You can install this one. The other one is PHP debug, which I use, but the one, okay, prettier is also the good one, which format your code. If you are writing a code and you save them, it will automatically format. Means if you are writing a very messy code, it will clean that up. And sort HTML and JavaScript, this is the same. We have let me find the icon. Yeah, VS icon. If you go to your extension and search for VS icon, it will give you all the okay, I don't think it's the name. The name was something else. Yeah, VS code icons. VS code icons. This, if you go to this one, yeah, you can install this one and all the icons will be shown there. The next thing which is important, there are some other the other icons too. As you can see, this is an icon. It will change the icon of your Visual Studio. As you can see here, you can, if you want this logo should be changed, you can install this one. You can install another one, but you should always check the ratings, which one is a lot of rating, and the install, how many user have downloaded and what is the feedback. That way you can install some of the extension. Most of them are by users and by developers. That's why some of them do not work fine. You should know about these things. The next thing you should know about thing is you can install theme. Let's install a theme. So I don't want to get the video too long. The way you install theme is just write the theme name here in the search box. If I search for semi, there is a theme called semi, I think. I don't remember the name. Let me find it for you. It is the slime theme. If you install this one, let me install it, and you will see how you can change the look of your editor and how it will look better. Once you install this one, just reload it. It will reload your file, and now if I come and open it, it looks the same. But you should activate it. When you install any theme, you should activate that. The way you do is you go to the reference, you have the color theme here. From here you can select the one you have installed. So if I come down, I have the installed one which are here. As you can see, these are by default, but the one I am looking is slime. If I select this one, as you can see, now the color has changed and now it looks a bit better. So this is how you can install theme in Visual Studio Code and how you can customize it. In the next video we will explore more features. So I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any question, feel free to comment below the video, and thank you for watching.